Hello, welcome to Otterhead House and the Old Chicken House. Top of most people's agenda is location. Safe to say we are pretty spoilt here. Just 5 minutes up the road is the A303 and in 20 minutes you're at Taunton in the M5. Yet whilst you're here, it is completely silent. Directly opposite the driveway for Otterhead House takes you straight into Otterhead Lakes. This is a nature reserve. There are 2 lakes in there. There's about 3 miles of walks around the outside. There's even an old Victorian walled garden in there. The whole place is absolutely bustling with nature. In there we've seen otters, beavers and swans, to name but a few. If it's peace and quiet you desire, you can't get much better than this. We are really secluded here, but at the same time we're in no way disconnected. Both properties benefit from fibre broadband. Just 2 miles up the road is the award-winning Candlelight Inn. This is a fine dining restaurant come pub. A mile in the other direction takes you to Churchingford, where you find the lovely village pub, York Inn. As well as this, there's a community shop and a little post office. I first purchased this property back in 2017. To say that it's undergone an extensive renovation would probably be a bit of an understatement. Now I appreciate, for most people, if you're buying a property that's been renovated, it can be a little bit nerve-wracking because you don't always know the quality of what's been done. Well, what's different about this is that I did a weekly video series that's on YouTube, so you can see exactly what's been done, why it's been done, and most importantly of all, how it's been done. So we'll start off up at the Old Chicken House. So as the name suggests, this was once an abandoned old chicken shed. It was completely rebuilt in 2019. We're fortunate enough on the decking area to be completely south-facing here, and we're surrounded by an oak woodland. The entire site for both houses is 3/4 of an acre, which means it's nice and easy to manage. The Old Chicken House is very well naturally separated from Otterhead. It's got a completely separate entrance and is in no way overlooked. I have lived in here and I have rented it out. So if you chose to live in Otterhead House, this could quite easily provide you with somewhere in the region of £40,000 a year of extra income that's relatively passive. All this is set up, ready to go, so it could be provided as a turnkey solution if you so desired. The best view in the whole place is from the wood-fired hot tub. This is a real hit with our guests, so do feel free to go on Airbnb and check out the reviews. This space was purposely designed as a holiday let. What that means is it works exceptionally well for that purpose. So in here we have oil-fired system with underfloor heating throughout. The wood burner makes it super cosy in winter. Absolutely no expense was spared. With polished concrete worktops, copper sink and taps, this really is a one-off. You will not find another space like this. The bedroom is an extremely generous size with a large wardrobe included. We then come through to the bathroom where we have a continuation of the handmade copper fittings throughout. Everyone who comes here comments on the feeling of being at peace and at one with nature. We were super proud to have won the Daily Telegraph award for best renovation a few years ago. So Otterhead is currently run as a high-end holiday let. This does extremely well and it turns over around £125,000 per year. It was, however, designed as a family home. So at the front you've got a raised terrace area. This is again all south-facing, and to the side we've got the hot tub and sauna. The formal garden to the front of the property goes down to a barbecue area and fire pit. This is some really useful outbuildings either side. Then off to the edge we have a wildflower meadow, and where the boundary edge of the property is, this just goes on to neighbouring fields and trees. The open plan kitchen really does allow the inside to seamlessly connect with nature outside. It's a well kitted out setup and has got everything you need for the modern family life. The burnished brass worktops not only look fantastic, but are also extremely hard wearing. The utility room is an extremely generous size, with built-in storage at the end, The attention to detail runs consistently throughout this whole house, everywhere you look. There is a downstairs toilet that houses the fuse boards and pressure cylinder. The oil boiler is located externally. This open plan dining area really is the heart of this home. It connects all the areas seamlessly. This leads us on to the sitting room, which is currently set up with a projector as a cinema. Also in here, we've got the Inglenook fireplace, makes this super cosy all year round. We then move on to the downstairs bedroom. This benefits from an ensuite bathroom. To the side of this is what we use as a storage room currently, but this could very easily be repurposed for something else. As we come up the stairs, we get to what I jokingly refer to as the box room. In reality, it's a good size double. So this is a Jack and Jill door setup leading onto the master bedroom, meaning that if you wished, it could also be used as a dressing room or a nursery. Bedroom 3 is a really good size and benefits from some stunning views. This is bedroom 4. It's one of my personal favourites. The vaulted ceiling in here really does make the whole room feel extremely spacious. As we retrace back along the landing, we come to the family bathroom. Again, really nice outlook and a beautiful room. We have, of course, saved the best till last. The original design brief for this master bedroom was for it to feel like you're walking into the suite of a high-end hotel.